completely. It's been an effective session. And on the way that I learned quite a lot of things in a very clear way, and in a very specific way I learned.
It is worthwhile. All these sessions. Up to this time, I think it's my third or second session, maybe. I'm joining from this. Thank you so much. Keep doing this. Thank you.
For this session, I really enjoyed it. And the key takeaway from this session was to leave behind my fear and insecurities and just start writing. So thank you so much for the session. And it was very interesting to hear everyone, the mind maps and everything. It really helped me to come to conclusions.
So all the sessions were very nice and well organized.
This session, it just helped me a lot because I'm like new joining in my first year of PhD, and also I have to write abstract. So thank you so much, ma'am.
To the organizers for organizing such a wonderful workshop, and also a very important one. So with this session, and also the one that I had attended earlier regarding 24 career in anthropology, with that and including this one, I think I am becoming more clear about how to go about doing research, and also about writing, doing some kind of academic writing, and also publishing a book.
The best thing about workshops is that you gather so much insights in a short span, in a concise span of time, which otherwise would have taken a long. People who are experts in their fields, experts in their domains, come here and address us. So in just a span of 2 days, I have gained a lot, and I'll again thanks the organizers.
I learned so much thing from this 2 days session, and especially from Dr. Asher sir. Last day, he speak on presenting ideas in academia, especially from your lecture, Dr. Shaweta madam, 2 days overcoming the writer's block. You first start with impossible. So it gives us the new meaning, I am possible.
Things which were very unique about this workshop is that there were no PowerPoint presentations like as much as you've seen other workshops. And because of which it was very old school, and you could actually listen to what the speaker was saying and you could make notes. And I really enjoyed that. And another thing was the frequent breaks, and there was not too much information thrown at you, but like whatever was needed. And I really enjoyed it, and I think it delivered exactly what it promised for.
I think it's really effective still. So I would like to share that. Thank you.
This workshop has helped me a lot because many of our professors, they have shared their experiences, like in their rejection for publishing and all. And I also learned which is Zotero, which is a very new thing to me, and I need to learn more about this Zotero as well. I'm really grateful and thankful.